In Taiwan, only 429 people got infected. Only 6 people died. And for the last 17 days, 0 local cases were reported. 0. And best of all, Taiwan did not lock down the country. The schools remained open, shops remained open, and the economy remained open. Even sports events continued, but without the fans, because people were social distancing.
In Taiwan, people took this very seriously from the beginning, and everybody did their part to wear masks and social distance.
This is impressive, but not surprising. Taiwan was one of the first to ban flights from Wuhan, the first to test people, the first to take coronavirus seriously before anyone else did. And here's the crazy part. All of this they did alone. See, most nations do not recognize Taiwan as a country, and the World Health Organization doesn't either, for political reasons. Which means they don't get much help from other countries during this tragedy. Yet, despite that, they succeeded and beat coronavirus alone. And now they're helping other countries do it too. They shipped 17 million masks to the United States, to Europe, to the Philippines, to Japan, and even to the small island nation of Fiji. Yes, Fiji.
Even though we may not be recognized as a country, we're still a part of the global community and we're here to help. Taiwan can help.
It's easy to lose hope when you look at the world map and look at the infection rates. But at least for this minute, look at Taiwan. No local infections, no outbreak, no panic, and no lockdown.
Hi, I am Tsai Ing-wen, President of Taiwan and the first woman President of Taiwan. Taiwan is a free, democratic, open, and amazing place.
Not many people recognize Taiwan as a country because of politics. But this time, everyone should recognize Taiwan as a hero.